Okay, and apparently you also love songs na merong double meaning. Pwede namang rock, ballad, jazz. Bakit lahat ng kanta mo may double meaning?
Hindi naman lahat
Tsaka
ng
yung mga
kanta
posa,
ko.
ang gusto ko
Sa lalaki, hindi
ang
masyadong malaki.
Katawan. Bakit?
No, hindi naman lahat ng kanta ko ay talagang may pagka-double meaning. As a matter of fact, doon sa first album ko, yung simple lang naman ang may double meaning doon. Mostly naman may mga serious songs o kaya yung yung mga ibang klaseng songs. Nagkataon lang kasi na napansin ng aking producer na si Nonoy Tan nung nasa studio na kami. Sabi niya, kakaiba kang babae ka, ang landi-landi mo. Sige, humanda ka sa akin. Gagawa ako ng isang nababagay sa'yo. Kaya nung kinanta niya sa akin, talagang gumulong-gulong ako sa floor. Akala ko kung ano yung tinutukoy niya. Yung pala, katawan lang pala. Akala ko kung ano yun. Tapos sabi niya, mahaba. Tapos, pasensya lang pala yun. At matigas. Ang dibdib.
Sabi nga nila nasa isip mo, kung lalagyan mo ng maruming kahulugan, magiging maruming kahulugan.
Nasa ibang, nasa mga tao kasi yun, kung ano yung iniisip nila Sila ang naughty, hindi ako.
Yun.
Yeah, at saka
You just happen to be cute. Sorry na lang if I also happen to be sexy at the same time.
No, I'm not cute and I'm not sexy. I just feel like one.
Wow!
Feeling lang yan di ba? Sometimes sabi nila, si Mystica hindi naman maganda. Pero sometimes you have to feel beautiful, di ba? Nakakatulong yun
But you always feel beautiful. I know that. Kasi nasa
beautiful.
projection yan. Pero speaking of, di ba, yung mga films na merong naughty,
right?
kunyari mga naughty yung topic or yung theme, di ba? Sabi nila meron lang lifespan yan. Parang kumbaga, kung isahahalin tulad, is that correct Tagalog? Kung isahahalin tulad, kung ihahambing, Diyos ko, nagpakalalim-lalim mo.
Ang lalim, no?
Kung ihahambing mo, let's say sa lifespan ng isang bold star, di ba? Pag nakita na lahat, wala na. Ganun din ba sa singing? Pag nakanta mo na lahat ng mga usan, lahat ng mga split, matatapos din ba kagad yung career ng isang singer?
No, I don't think so. Kasi each time naman nagbabago ako ng image Let's say at the mall. Iba ang image ko sa mall.
Anong image mo sa mall?
Yung
Good
medyo,
girl?
church version.
Church?
Iba, pag nandun naman ako sa isang club.
Paano church version? Example
ganito
niya?
ganito. Pag church version, labi sa labi, tayo'y nagkaisa. Ganun lang yun.
Church version yan?
Church version. Pero
Kapag hindi
sa
church
club,
paano?
sa club naman ganito. Sorry. Kunwari, ikaw na lang yung lalaki.
Oh, no.
Labis!
Oh my God! Oh, it's still 10:50 in the morning.
Ayun nga I always feel na nighttime lagi.
My God, hindi lang pala may intoxicate yung lalaki sa club, maso-suffocate.
Speaking of my dress nga pala.
choke your butt down his throat.
Well, speaking of my dress nga pala, alam ko na 10:30 pala. Pero para sa akin kasi, I always wanna go to a place where they can always see me right away na, wow, stand out yung Kaya alam na nila Mystica yun. Kaya yun ang image na na-8 ko talaga since I entered in show business.
Pero di ba there are some bold stars na kahit na boldy-boldy sila sa pelikula, as in all out kita
That's
boobs
right.
and alam mo na. Pero pag nakita mo, talagang super innocent. Have you tried that? Na pag nakita ka, my God, she looks like a Barbie doll. She's so girly-girly. Hindi siya mukhang
Oh yeah,
naughty.
I've had that experience as well. Kasi sometimes, I don't feel like going out. Tapos, magpapasexy yung mga clothes ko nun. Gusto ko naman yung ako na talaga, as Ruby, hindi na Mystica. Kaya napagkamalan tuloy akong virgin.
Talaga? Sinong napagkamalan kang virgin? Wala kang makeup nun siguro, wala kang
akong
lipstick.
make-up, talagang
At hindi mo suot yung mga kuko na yan.
Wala. So, pwede kong
Paano
ma-adjust
mo nga
talaga
pala
yun.
na-maintain yung ganyan kahaba?
Ito po,
Look,
galing po ito sa Le Charmant. For my nails, thank you nga pala, Le Charmant. And of course, courtesy na rin ng aking manager na Tita Vera Isberto. Yes.
Yeah, pero alam mo si Mystica talaga, you're never serious. Pag kinakausap kita, you're so maldita.
No, I'm always serious. Whatever I say, I mean it. Because that's the
Really?
truth. Of course.
You really mean it?
Of course. Everything I say. Di ba? Hindi lang nila siguro matake dahil sobrang totoo. Sobrang totoo.
Let's just say in-offer ka ng movie.
Okay.
Serious acting ito
Okay, serious
As in
acting.
drama. Tapos na-discover ka. Kunyari, in that film, parang madidiscover ka magiging great singer ka. Sinong gusto mong maging kapareha? Serious acting, as in
Si
drama
Aga Mulak
talaga.
na lang.
Why Aga Mulak?
Hindi. I like him because he's a good dancer. And the fact that I'm a good dancer as well. Kaya
Aga
nakita
Mulak
ko
is
yung
a good
movie.
dancer.
Yeah, nakita ko.
Ah.
Hindi ko nga akalain sa image niya ganun. Tapos he's a dancer. Kasi never ko siyang nakita until I saw this movie called Bayarang Puso. Nakita ko he's a good dancer. Right.
So you choose Aga Mulak. Paano pag nagselo si Sherlyn?
Wag nang magsero si Sherlyn.
What kung mahal ba mag-guest appearance si Sherlyn? Payag ka?
Mag-guest appearance?
Oo.
Well, I think
She can also
Sherlyn can
dance,
understand.
diba?
Yeah, I know that. I think Sherlyn Gonzalez is a good sport naman eh. She's
What
an-
kung
she's
na-inlove
an
sa'yo si
actress.
Aga? Naloka sa'yo?
Hindi na.
By some twist of fate, sabi niya, Charlene, hindi na matutuloy ang kasal.
Hindi
I'm
mangyayari
falling in
yun.
love with Mystica.
Hindi mangyayari yun. Because I know Aga Mulak loves Charlene very much. And I've met Charlene's once already. So, in person. And I think she's a nice girl. So, hindi ko pwedeng gawin yun sa kanya.
Okay.
Oo.
Kanina, di ba sinabi ko, may mga bagay na kahit na plinano mo o talagang pinag-isipan mo, simulat sa pool pa lang, talagang they just don't work, Things don't happen according to the way you've planned them. What situations have you gone through in your life na gano'n? Yung ine-expect mo mag-work tapos biglang hindi nag-work.
Yeah,
And how
I've
did you
tried
cope?
I've tried everything already in my life. Naging ballad singer na ako, kaya I've been a singer at those hotels and stuff like that. Pero nakita nila na there's a certain thing na hindi nagagawa ng ibang tao, katulad yun, pagka-naughty na gano'n. So, it was something na, it was a space that I could fill up. So, by the time wala pang nakaka-fill yung space na yon, nagkatong ako, yung nauna, ayun, nakalusot. So, at the same time naman, I'm very impressed naman dahil marami ng sumusunod sa ganyang trend ngayon.
So parang you
I'm
treat
really very
life
proud of it.
with a little humor.
Yeah, with a little humor.
Hindi mo masyadong
Don't be too
seryoso.
serious. Yeah, that's
You
true.
just go with the tide.
Oo,
Wala ka
oo,
sa
oo.
mood, be naughty.
Yeah.
It will
Kasi
cheer
parang
you up.
business yan eh. You always try your best na hindi naman first business tapos naging successful agad, di ba? So once na hindi nag-click yung business na yun, you have to go to a different direction. Ganun ang nangyari sa akin. Nag-shift ako to ibang image.
Okay.
Oo. Kahit
Anong mas nangingibabaw? Fill in the blanks. Kung merong isang bagay na hindi ko ipagpapalit, ito ay ang aking
pag-i-split. Hindi.
pag-i-split.
Hindi. I would say my principle. Yeah, because I've always had my own principle in life. Kasi noon din sa aking father, he was a politician and pinatay siya, ganun di ba? Pinaglaban niya ang kanyang prinsipyo. Ito ang tanging words binitawan niya. Ipaglaban mo ang iyong karapatan. So, iyon. Hindi ko kailanman ipagpapalit ang sarili
What is
ko.
one principle?
Prinsipyo.
What is
Yeah.
one principle that you will never forget? Or that will always stand by you no matter what?
Okay.
Ano yung prinsipyo na
I
yun?
wanna live my life to the fullest. Kaya kung ano man yon, I wanna get it, I could have it.
I wanna live my life to the fullest, kaya kung ano man yun, I wanna get it, I'm
right.
gonna have it.
That's true.
And no matter what it takes,
It doesn't matter. No matter what it takes, I'm gonna have it anyway on my own way.
wow. Okay. Atta girl. Go girl. Yun lang masasabi ko kay Mystica, hindi mo na kailangan sabihin ng go girl yan because she's really a go-getter. But
Yeah,
thank you,
that's true.
Mystica. Thank you for sharing
very
your
much.
morning with
Yes,
us.
yes. Don't forget po my second album, Walang Takip. That's right.
Walang takip ang alin.
Walang Takip. That's my second album, right?
Anong alin ang walang takip? Yung album?
Well, they have to find out. They have to buy my album first. That's right. And of course, with my career single, Labi sa Labi, composed by Snapper Rigor and produced by Nonoy Tan and The Rock Records. And of course, courtesy na rin ang aking manager na si Tita Vera Isberto. Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Ate
Mystica.
Dee.
And I'm
Thank you so
glad na
much.
sunod-sunod ang iyong mga records. That's very good. It's a clear sign that you are
Yeah,
just
yeah.
flying high.
Yeah, and I'd like to thank all my fans as well. Thank you very much for all your support. I love you so much. I'll do everything for you guys.
And more splits to come up.
to you from the back.